Good afternoon. First of all, thank you. The Olchiki script was created for Santali by Mayurbhanj poet Pandit Raghunath Murmu in 1925 and first published in 1939. Olchiki as a Santali script is widely accepted among Santal communities. Presently in West Bengal, Orissa and Jharkhand, Bihar, etc. Olchiki is the official script for Santali literature and language. Thank you.